Hey there, English learners, and welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we're going to cover essential words and phrases you need for asking for directions in English. Whether you're exploring a new city or traveling abroad, mastering these words will help you navigate with confidence. I'm Mina and I'm proud to have you here. Let's get the ball rolling. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me is a polite way to attract someone's attention before asking for directions. Excuse me, could you help me find the nearest subway station? Next word is nearest. Repeat, nearest. Nearest. Nearest indicates the closest location to your current position. Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is? Yeah, starting with the first two basic words. Then the person starts giving you directions. Repeat, directions. Directions. Directions refer to instructions on how to get to a specific location. So let's update the first question. Excuse me, could you give me directions to the nearest subway station? Repeat it. Directions include the words like turn right, turn left, go straight. Let's repeat them. Turn right, turn right, turn left, turn left, go straight, go straight. And the meanings. Turn right and turn left are instructions for changing directions while navigating. For example, turn left at the traffic lights. When you see this, turn left. Go straight means moving forward without changing directions. For example, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the corner. Next word is landmark. Repeat. Landmark. Landmark. Landmark is a recognizable feature used for giving or following directions. For example, the library is a landmark. It's right across from the movie theater. Next word is across from. Across from. Across from or opposite. 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 Use this word when you want to say that something is on the other side of something. For example, the bakery is opposite the post office, or the bakery is across from the post office. Coming up next is the word intersection. Repeat, intersection. Intersection. This word means when two or more roads meet. For example, go straight, you'll reach an intersection, turn left, and the museum is on your right. Next word is crosswalk. Repeat, crosswalk. Crosswalk. Crosswalk is a marked pedestrian path used for crossing the street. Remember to use the crosswalks to safely cross the busy intersections. And finally, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's not a new word, but don't forget to express gratitude after receiving directions. Like, thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. That's all. Congratulations. You learned 10 of the most common words you need to know for asking for directions. Practice using them in real-life situations to gain fluency. Make sure to come back and watch part 2 of this video. There are still a lot of words you need to know for asking for directions in English. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.